In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy entire row, column, and paste in Excel. If you've ever tried to copy a whole row by dragging across cells and accidentally missed one, this method will save you time and prevent mistakes. First, to copy a full row, don't drag through the cells. Instead, move your cursor to the far left of the worksheet and click directly on the row number. You'll know it worked when the entire row is highlighted from edge to edge. With the row selected, copy it using your preferred method. Press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac, right-click, and choose Copy, or use the Copy button on the Home tab. This approach picks up everything in that row, including formulas and formatting, so you don't leave anything behind. The same idea works perfectly for columns. Rather than selecting cells one by one, go to the top of the worksheet and click the column letter. The whole column will highlight in one click. Then copy it the same way. Keyboard shortcut, right-click, or the Home tab. This is especially helpful when you're working with long lists, because it ensures you capture all entries in that column at once. Keep in mind that when you copy an entire column, Excel includes every cell in that column, even empty ones, so you can paste confidently without worrying about gaps. Now, to paste what you've copied, make sure you select the destination at the header level as well. If you copied a row, click the row number where you want it to go. If you copied a column, click the column letter for the target location. Then press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. Pasting into a selected row number or column letter tells Excel to place the content across that entire row or down that entire column, aligning everything correctly. If there's existing data in the destination, it will be replaced, so it's best to paste into an empty row or column. If you make a mistake, just use Undo with Ctrl+C or Command+C. After you paste, you'll see a small Paste Options icon appear. If you only want values or just formatting, click that icon to choose the option you need. One final tip. When copying columns, Excel doesn't copy the column width by default. If you want matching widths, adjust them after pasting. That's it. Click the header to select, copy, and then paste by clicking the destination header. Simple, accurate, and fast.